Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. I want to share the machine learning method called naive Bayes. And this is the classic machine learning based on statistical. This method uses Bayesian theorem uh, from Thomas Bayes. He is a statistician. They predict a class membership uh, based on the probability that a given sample belong to a particular class. So this method use probability method. There is a naive term. It means that the classifier assume the effect of an attribute value on a given class independent to other attributes, unlike the Bayesian belief network. And Bayesian belief network is not naive because there is a dependent from every attribute in the problem. This is the Bayes theorem. X is data sample, H is a hypothesis. So this equation is try to predict the hypothesis. For example, the hypothesis is buy or not a computer. So based on this particular attribute or feature, the prediction is buying or not buying. Okay, this is a difficult equation at first, but if we use this equation to solve a simple problem, we will understand the equation. Okay, we try to classify using naive Bayesian. Let X is the number of features with a target or M classes. For example, buy or not, we have two classes. Of course, we have multi-class 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the prediction result is the highest probability for each class. This is the result. For example, if we have two classes, buy or not, if the probability is buy is higher than the not buy, so the result is buy. And the probability of a class is using the Bayes theorem we discussed before. And this probability is actually exact. This is exact, but we need to calculate this probability. So we use this symbol. Don't worry to see this symbol. This is actually similar to sigma, but this is multiplication. If sigma is addition, this is a multiplication. Actually, the naive Bayes use the categorical, stochastic or discrete. But if we use uncategorical or continue, we can use the Gauss distribution. This can be present like this using the Gauss equation. So in scikit-learn, naive Bayes called Gaussian naive Bayes. This is the example of how the naive Bayes is used. This is the problem. This problem actually is similar to previous discussion about decision tree. There is a four features: age, income, student, credit rating, and two class of target, no and yes. So here we have exact probability of buying and probability of not buying, or yes, no. There is a 14 record, 9 is yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is no. So the probability of buy is 0.643 and not buy 0.357. And we use this equation here to classify it for buy and for not buy. We see that for first attribute, so the problem here is if a test data have the X below 13, income medium, student, and fair credit rating, what is the probability that the test data is buy or not buy? So we have to calculate probability of X, the condition of class yes. Here there is two yes from 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for 8, it's a 9. The probability is 0.22, and for example, we see the medium and no. For example, there is we searching the medium here. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We calculate the no. For example, here, sorry, and we have two no and 4 yes for the medium. So this is the probability of each probability for income, student, credit rating, and age for the test problem. And then we calculate the probability of buy. So we use this equation. So this is the multiplication here. We just collect the yes for buy or not. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is calculate, and the result is 0.044. And this result insert to the basic equation of the bias. Yeah. So we just calculate the probability of bias computer, and in the beginning there is a bias computer is 0.643 here at the beginning here, yeah, buy or not buy. So, and for not buy computer, sorry, I have to okay. For not buy, you see that we have to calculate the no here 0.6, 0.4, 0.2, 0.4. Here no, 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 and no, and then insert to the bias equation. And for the probability of not buy a computer is 0.3, and we have to see that the answer is 0.007. If we compare this result for buying and not buying, we see that the probability of buying is higher than not buy. So the result is buy with the confidence of or probability with 0.0. Sorry, I think there is an error. Okay, if we compare the probability of buying and not buying, we see that the buying higher than the not buying in probability. So the result is classified as buy from this problem with the test data is here. Okay, we go to the example Python implementation. Similar to previous discussion with decision tree, we have to change the categorical data into the numeric. For example, below 30 is 0, which is medium is 1, and higher than 40 is 2. Income is low, medium, and high. Student and non-student 0. Buy is 0 and not buy is 0 and buy is 1, and etc. We set in CSV file. You can use Notepad or Excel. And for the testing the algorithm, we use the scikit-learn, and with the IDE Google Colab, you can use your browser without installing the Python. And first we prepare the data using a pandas, and then we train the data X and its class are labeled using the Gaussian NB, and we predicting the result is, for example, for X 0110, it means that the X is below 13, income medium, is a student, and the credit rating is fair, 0. Okay, we try to implement exactly. The first cell is the import, and this is the uploading the data. You have to ensure that the data is successfully uploaded, and this is the data for training. Use pandas, and then we fitting or training the data, and then we test the data using the model is GNB, using the predict class. Some professor and some school is not recommend using the library. This is the predict probability. We see that probability of not buying is 0.09. The probability of one or buying is 0.9. So the result is the buy or the class 1. In scikit-learning, if you want to see the source code of this function, you can open the scikit-learn official site, and there is here the source. You can open this source. You can see there is a contributor for this code. For example, here is the Python data science, and from the a university or from this is Columbia University, and etc. But if you want to able to read this source code, you have to learn first the object-oriented programming of the Python. There is a class and there is a method here, def or function. There is a command line, and there is some inheritance concept, that relation between one class to other class. So if you don't understand the object-oriented program, you will be difficult in read this uh, source code. There is some import. Of course, the source code is actually uh, do not uh, do not write in full code, because here there is 1000 lines. If you don't use import like this, maybe 1 million line. So now in industry there is a component we don't code every line of we just import. But if the student want to see the exact code of the particular class, uh, in Python we can see the source code, because this is an open source. Okay, you can try by yourself this interesting method, naive Bayes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.